Hello my lovelies, finally we have the home tour, yay! I've been announcing this for quite a while and it just took me a little bit to get it together, but I'm so happy to show you guys what I came up with. A lot of these items I already had. We are leaving on a 2-week cruise for our 20th wedding anniversary, so I wanted to make sure that I came in under budget, guys. So I'm reusing a lot of my previous fall items, like these pumpkins. All I did was vamp them up a little bit, and I put these bows, the funky bows on them, and I think they came out super cute. All of these pumpkins are from Michael's a few years ago, and yeah, that's all I did was make it a little bit more special by adding a little bit to them. Now if you want to learn how to do these funky bows, I'm going to go ahead and link Arlene's Country Corner down below, and that's where I learned how to do them. As you walk in, you see the wreath to my left hand side, and you guys, I did a lot of DIYs, and I'll go ahead and link those below if you have not already seen them. I'm giving you a general overview of what my house looks like. This wreath came out super beautiful, and then I just added little touches of fall into my living room. And here you'll see what I came up with finally for my coffee table. I wanted to keep it very simple, and again, just adding little tiny touches of fall, a little tiny glass pumpkin with my angel wings on this little vignette here. I absolutely love the way that it came out. And you guys, look at my DIY Z Gallery dupe pumpkins. I absolutely love the way they came out. I actually picked up this crate from behind a liquor store. They tend to throw these away, and I see people paying a couple dollars for these in the stores. So I just picked that up. I might do something later on with that as well. And then here are my glass gourds that I picked up this year from Ross, and just loving this neutral Glam palette for the main living areas. Trying to keep the pillows in order on my sofas is nearly impossible. Give me a quick thumbs up if your dogs like to lay down on your pillows as well. In this room, I am burning Fireside Marshmallow from Bath & Body Works, and let me tell you guys, I wish I had smell-o-vision here because this candle smells amazing. Now moving on to my council table, which is on the right side of the living room. You guys, my favorite part of the whole decor are these pumpkins on the candlesticks. Remember, I was telling you guys that I had a couple of the pumpkins in the collection. I absolutely love the elegance. They are white and they have stripes in gold, and it's like a shiny metallic gold, and each individual pumpkin is unique in its own right. So I absolutely love that look. They go together, but they are different. I just wanted to show you guys quickly another glimpse of the Z Gallery pumpkins. I don't know if the camera is picking up how beautiful they really are, but I'll go ahead and leave the link of that DIY video down below so you guys can check out how I made these. And I absolutely love the way they sparkle and shine, and add a little tiny cozy corner in my decor. And now onto the dining room table. This is how I had it set up in the beginning, you guys, but then once I did Kenya's Decor Corner Tablescape Challenge, this is what it looks like now. I absolutely love how it came out. To me, this is very elegant, very modern, and I just love the colors on this table. I'll go ahead and make a detailed list of where all the items are from in the description box below. I just want to make sure this video is not too long for you guys. As for my kitchen, same rules apply. I go back to the traditional colors just because my kitchen is a little bit warmer, and like I said previously, I love all styles of Thanksgiving and the fall season. I absolutely love the oranges, the browns, and the burgundies, as well as the silvers and the neutral colors. You guys, if you remember this from my fairy globe garden, I just took out the fairies and I went ahead and replaced them with the DollarTree pumpkins, and I think it came out absolutely cute and added a little touch of fall as well in that little section. In this little vignette, I just have a little give thanks sign next to Oscar, and I'm also burning cranberry woods from Bath & Body Works. You guys, this is the lantern that I did for the Arlene's Country Corner Lantern Challenge. I would have never thought of doing this, but I absolutely love the way that it came out. And you guys saw this wreath back in the springtime, so I just hung it over my garage door. And a little tiny garland from the Dollar Tree. I made that with fishing string and the leaves. And that's it, guys, for the kitchen. Now, I didn't do much in the bathrooms. I just wanted to show you guys, I did pick up this pumpkin from Ross, and it matches my bathroom decor perfectly. So just a quick glimpse, nothing much else other than that. And on to the master bedroom. You guys, this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. I love the little touches of fall. I had this mercury glass pumpkin from a couple years ago. I believe it's also from Ross as well. And I just love the shimmer and the shine. It definitely goes with my master bedroom. In this candle I'm burning from Bath & Body Works. It is in the scent flannel, but I just love the packaging that it has. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then you guys, here's another little DIY, the little pumpkin picks. I basically just painted them white and added the glitter and added it to my bouquet that was already there. And in the frame, I have it blank right now because I definitely want to add a picture for our 20th year wedding anniversary there. So I'm just waiting to go on those, and I'll be adding something nice there as well. So that is my side, you guys. And on for his side, I kept everything very simple. I try not to clutter his side too much. Again, we just repeated the same bouquets and added the little pumpkin picks, and I just added quite a few more pumpkin picks on his side. But that is all the decor that I added for fall. And you guys, this is another DIY, which I'll go ahead and link down below as well, so you guys have a better view for Shell's DIY fall challenge. So this is it, guys. That was my whole fall tour. I love the little touches of fall here and there, and again, I didn't want to go overboard this year just because I want to make sure that I stay inside a budget. You guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell and share. I am working on other videos. If you guys want to see what I'm packing for the cruise and also videos from the cruise, let me know down below. I'll be more than happy to share my experiences with you. Always remember that you are loved and you are cherished, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, take care.